This is a NPET K11 wireless gaming keyboard. This can be used as a gaming or not. I don't use it for playing games, I just use it for work, and I love the colors. Comes with a button where you can change the colors of the LED. See here. Or you can turn it off if you want. It's wireless, it's rechargeable, has a button here to turn it on and off. Really comfortable. I like the keys, and I like it because I can be working in the dark and I can see the name of the keys. I can see the letters and the font. So really nice product. Looks awesome. You can select different colors, different tones, or just simply without the colors. This is a NPET K11 keyboard. It's a gaming keyboard and it's wireless.